There, crap artists. Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm so excited because I'm doing a haul video. Look at this stuff I bought at one of my favorite stores is Hobby Lobby, and I love that store so much. I love walking in there looking at all the cute stuff, all the cute, wonderful accessories or embellishments, what you want to call this. I love it so much. Let's get started on this video. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you go into your Hobby Lobby and support all these businesses before they're too late, because Joann Fabrics is going out of business now. So let's start hauling. Dee Dee Craft Artist. My name is Dee Dee Crafts. My life is a what craft artist. Today's a fun and exciting video for me because I'm so happy. I haven't done these videos in a long time. And this is the early January and it's almost the middle of the year, you guys. This is April. This is April and it's spring. So I thought to myself, let's go spring shopping for a little bit of crafting supplies that I probably don't need, but I did get anyways, but I love them anyways. I went to Hobby Lobby today and it was so much fun shopping in the Hobby Lobby. I haven't been there in a long time. And I love how things are set up in the store. And I love crafting during spring, summer the most because to me it's so much fun and so much ideas in my head about spring and summer. Since I love those two seasons the most. But I do love a little fall with the leaves, and I love a little snow with the snow winter. But I do love spring and summer, and I'm so glad spring has sprung. And I'm here to share with you this beautiful haul that I bought. Bought some beautiful embellishments from Hobby Lobby. I love Hobby Lobby, so thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the video, you guys. Let's start hauling. By the way, my name is Dee Dee Crafts. I love these so much. I got them from Hobby Lobby today. It was so much fun shopping. It was kind of busy on Saturday. I forgot how busy the mall is on Saturday, but I love what I got. So I bought all these things. Everything was clearance. I mean, not clearance. Wrong thing to say. It was 40% off. Paper Studio. I love Paper Studio, you guys. So let's talk about everything I got in Paper Studio and some more beautiful papers. It's called. You know what it is. Scrapbook paper. So let's get started. Let's talk about this right here. I love these. Look at these hearts. These are so beautiful. I love that red. That beautiful red. It's like an ombre red. Like a dark red. I don't know. It looks beautiful. I love it. So, yay, you guys. Thanks for watching. I love everything. Yes, I love it. I had so much fun shopping. I went over to the stickers and embellishment section. Like I said earlier in the video, I had so much fun shopping there. And I'm sorry that Joann Fabrics is going out of business. I love that store as well. But if you want some things from Joann Fabrics, you should run there and get it while it's still open. But today we're having some fun with these embellishments from Hobby Lobby. I love shopping at Hobby Lobby. And this is the Paper Studio. The Paper Studio. It has some really cool stickers and embellishments. I love everything about them and their company. I love everything that I can buy. And I want to talk to you about these first, like I was trying to do earlier. So these are some beautiful 3D or 4D hearts. Are beautiful, aren't they? I love that beautiful dark red. Really pretty. That shade of red is really pretty. And then you get this pink right here in the middle. That really pretty shade of pink. And you have white. And these are wonderful on projects. You can use them on all types of things. And I love it so much. And then over here, I got some more beautiful embellishments. Beautiful ombre blue. Like beautiful light blue, sky blue, even midnight blue. So pretty. Shiny. I love these. It's wonderful to use. And the 42 gems adhesive. And this one over here has 21, and this is for $1.99, but I got 40% off all this stuff, and I was so excited because I'm going to use this in my projects. I love just doing cool projects now. And then I got all these assortment of beautiful stickers because I'm doing a artwork on Sketch Artist Fridays with these balloons in mind because I turned 49 last year, the end of November of last year. I turned 49 years old, and I'm trying to do a little concept of balloons and then put numbers inside the balloons. And the very last balloon, like this one, this floats away, and it's 50. So I'll be 50 this year. So I got the two cute balloons. Look how pretty. I love this bloom right here. This is really pretty. This beautiful bloom art. It's really pretty. And then also I got these stickers over here of crowns because I'm a queen. I'm only 50 years old, so I'm gonna say I'm a queen. I'm right now a princess in training, but I'm gonna be queen when I turn 50. So I will put this on my planner. I plan this a beautiful planner video with this in mind, and maybe put it in my drawing too. I'm not sure yet. I may just draw it, but these are really pretty. The gold and silver. Comment down below what's your favorite thing about this. Do you like gold or silver? I actually like both, but you never know what you can like. But I wish I had a red crown too. That'd be pretty. But everything can't be red. But I love these candy. So I got two of these right here. Candy. I did a video a long time ago, or actually a video and a drawing, trying to draw candy. And these are the candy I got. This is the rock candy right there, rock candy. I love these kind of, heart suckers, gummy bears, gummy worms. I just love these kind of candies. I love lollipops, and there's peppermint and the sour candies. I love it. Comment down below what's your favorite candy. I love back in the 80s. If you're an 80s kid and a Generation X kid, you know what I'm talking about. I love Sour Patch Kids. I love that. I love those so much. I love Skittles. I love M&Ms. I love Mars bars. All kinds of candies. I love Reese's Pieces, and I love candy, period. I love jelly beans. This time of year, you have jelly beans as well. So I love this. So I can't wait to show these off to you guys when I finally get this video done and drawing done. And there are 44 pieces in there, as you can see. This is $1.99, but I got 40% off all the stickers right here. And let's move on, you guys. Let's move on to something else I want to show you. Also, I love a lot of scrapbook paper. I buy some every time I go in there. And this is the one that was on sale, 40% off. This is supposed to be mermaid seashells, I think. No, seashells. Mermaid scales. That's what it's supposed to be. 69¢, but I got 40% off, and I can't wait to use it as a mermaid. I got more scrapbook paper. This is really pretty, you guys. It's a mermaid one too as well, but I love it. I got 2 sheets of it because I thought it'd be fun to have 2 sheets, and can I wait to use this? Maybe card making, or just use it as a background for something. Maybe put it in the frame. I'm not sure yet. So what is it called? It is called Mermaid A Gate. A Gate. Yay! And this is all on sale. I don't know if it's still on sale time you see this video, but I got everything for 40% off. So run in there and get it if you can. If you need this type of paper, or if you just like scrapbook paper all together. So yay, you guys! I hope you guys are having fun, and I'm excited showing you all the paper I bought and all the embellishments. I gotta show you some more things, and then we'll be done with this video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video. I'm so excited because I love embellishments. I love putting things out. So woohoo! Look at everything. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? The color, the rainbow color, right? I love it. It's so pretty. Especially these right here. They're the prettiest stuff. I love every color. I love color, period. So this is wonderful to have in your stash. Hopefully you need this stuff. So let's move on. I want to show you things I bought over here for some storage. Look at these wooden things. This is beautiful wooden boxes. I love embellishing wooden things now. So let's look at this, guys, up close and personal. So I'll put these stickers and these away for a minute, and we'll come back and look at that later. Out there, if you love wood, you're gonna love this portion of the video. I bought this cute little box, and I got 2 of these cute little boxes. I think they're wonderful to have. I love these. I did an embellishment of these a long time ago, but I got 2 more. So we're gonna do this. Is gonna be like my video series I'm doing on my channel called Alternate Project Saturdays, and we're gonna alter this box and its twin sister inside. Look at this. This is so cute. So look at that. It's so easy. They're opening. The one I did before, I painted over the edge right here, and it didn't open. It never opened again. So I want to use one for like color pencils or paints, or maybe just put crayons in there, or I don't know, color pencils, markers. I don't know. These look so cool, and I can't wait to do this, you guys. They're fun and exciting to have. This one was $2.99, and this was $3.99. I can't wait to color this, paint this, and decorate it really pretty just to put on my shelf. And I love this so much. I love wood. And if you love wood, please comment down below what's your favorite thing about wood. You like making your own wood things, or you like painting wood things? I love putting paint and markers and crayons and colors and flowers and glitter all over. This, I'll show you the one I did before. So this is so amazing. I love it. Thank you, Hobby Lobby. You have some cool wooden things. I know Dollar Tree has wooden things too, but it's not as sturdy as Hobby Lobby. And this year, Hobby Lobby, I saw on the back of this, I should have just showed you on camera. I took the sticker off right there. They showed you that some of the wood is treated with stuff. It has cancer sticker on there. And it's to be careful about this part right here for kids. The little, that little part right there, that little magnet. So be careful. So let me show you the one I already did already. This is wonderful, isn't it? I love it. Beautiful. I did this a while ago. Go watch this video, you guys, on my channel. I did embellish this a long time ago with fake flowers I got from Michael's, and also maybe Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure, but this flowers are really pretty. The pearls I bought at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure, but I love this, how beautiful this looks. I painted this, and it does not open, so it's just decor. I love the ribbon I put on the bottom. It's really pretty. So it's a wonderful thing to do, just to paint another little container. I love it. It's pretty blue. It's like, I think it's like a sky blue, or sunflower blue. I'm not sure, but it's really pretty. I thought it'd be fun to have something blue besides red. But I'm making one of these red. Not a bright red, but a pretty red that I love. Actually, I love the real red. So I might do one red and one with red roses and, you know, something cool. I don't know, something similar to this. So thank you guys for watching this video. I had so much fun. So let me go back and show you one more thing I bought from Hobby Lobby. I know you're going to enjoy this video. I hope you guys are enjoying this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to your friends on my channel. And I hope you enjoy all the videos on my video channel. And I'll talk to you right here. This is what I got. This beautiful storage thing. See, this is what it looks like right there. You can put your stuff in. I got it for $10.99, and it was not on sale, but I love it. It's a storage cabinet, a craft storage cabinet, easy assembling, no tools required. Thank God. Thank goodness, you guys, right? Storage on the go. Great for dorms. I don't need it for a dorm, but it's really cool. Temporary extra storage solutions, but I can use this anytime. I don't have to be temporary, but I think it's cool and exciting to have in your room. It's collapsible and stackable, and this is the only one that was there. People have been buying these, so this is a Hobby Lobby find. If you need something like this for your shelving, for your craft room, I thought it would be cool to have, just to have in my room. I need to get some things off my table and put things like this, like those containers right there. Put your pens, pencils, crayons, markers, you know, that kind of stuff in there, and then there's that sample of yarn. It looks so much fun, right? I just love everything. So hopefully you guys having a great day. I hope you're happy about this haul. I love hauls. And I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Have fun, you guys. Shopping at Hobby Lobby and go enjoy fabrics while you can, you guys. Have fun shopping there. Please do it. We support our businesses. We need to support our businesses. Stop buying everything on Amazon, you guys. Stop doing that. We need to support our local businesses as well. Amazing crafters, I hope you have fun watching this video. These are all things I bought from Five Below. I almost said Five Below. I did go there today, that's why I'm saying that, but I love that's a different time, different haul. But this is all things I did buy at Hobby Lobby. Like, I needed this stuff, I probably didn't, but some things I didn't need because I'm going to decorate my planner really good for November for this year. As I said, I'm turning 50, so I have this beautiful balloon. I bought that for the balloons, and plus I'm drawing with balloons in mine, and I love stickers, and I'm still creating my own stickers, you guys, right now. I am still doing my own small business. I'm still doing Crappy Stew vlogs, all that cool stuff. I'm doing alternate projects Saturdays. I'm also doing sketch on Fridays. I'm doing a lot of things to make this channel pop. So I hope you love this video. Thank you so much, you guys. And I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Have fun shopping. And don't forget that to love and to respect yourself and have fun shopping. And don't buy things you don't really need. So I needed some of these things, some things I didn't need, but I just think it's fun to have a little shopping spree sometimes. I didn't have a haul since the beginning of the year, so like it, enjoy it. If you did, thank you so much, my amazing craft artists. Thank you for getting this channel past 200 subscribers. We have 217. I'm gonna say that every video until we get to 300 or plus. I love these videos I'm doing lately. Hopefully I'm getting better for you guys. I hope you enjoyed every video I'm doing. I'm so happy I went to Hobby Lobby, and please, you guys, support your crafting stores or stores period. Stop buying everything on Amazon. Walk in the store. And actually buy something instead of just waiting till the mailman or the UPS or FedEx comes to your door with your packaging. You can just go and buy it yourself. So I'm so sorry that Joann Fabrics is going out of business, but I do love Joann Fabrics. I still might go there and shop. I'm not sure yet. I don't know, but I just love that store. I'm sorry they're going out of business. I think they're a great store. Great stuff was there. I bought a lot of things in the past there, and I think people just didn't like the store anymore. Maybe the store didn't upgrade or do anything better to make people want to come in, but hopefully we can make the rest of our craft stores stay open, like Hobby Lobby, like today's haul, and also my favorite craft store of all the time is Michael's. Please go support those stores, and thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Keep crafting no matter what.